I bet you've never tried these tofu barbecue rolls before. Crispy, flavorful, and packed with protein. Tofu comes in many forms, but today we're using Baiye Tofu sheets, also known as bean curd sheets. They usually come in dense stuffed blocks and they're often used in cold salads and hot pots. In North China, they turn into incredible barbecue rolls, and trust me, they taste amazing. You'll need a few simple ingredients: tofu sheets, barbecue seasoning, fresh onion, coriander, oil, and oyster sauce, which is optional. Baiye tofu is firm and chewy, so we need to soften it first. Bring a saucepan of water to a gentle simmer. Cut the tofu sheets into squares. When you cut it, the layers separate more easily. Drop the squares into the boiling water and cook for a few minutes, stirring occasionally. Finally, chop the onion. Red or white, both work great. Trim the fresh coriander. The steams add a lot of flavor, so leave some of them. In a bowl, mix oil and barbecue seasoning. The amount depends on your preference. Add some oyster sauce if you want that extra umami flavor. Now let's rub. And be careful, the tofu sheets are quite hot. Lay out a sheet and add some onion and coriander. Roll it up like a French crepe, brush it inside with a little barbecue sauce we made before. Secure with a toothpick or leave it as is. And a bonus tip, you can use any vegetables you like: carrots, lettuce, or even enoki mushrooms for an extra flavor boost. Heat a pan over high-medium heat and add oil. Place the rolls in the pan and fry for a few minutes on each side until golden and slightly crispy. No need to overcook. Brush with some more sauce while cooking for extra flavor. And final touch, once ready, transfer to a plate and sprinkle with extra barbecue seasoning, fresh coriander, and sesame seeds. And pro tip, if you have a grill, try barbecuing these instead. They will be even better. And that's it. Crispy, smoky, high-protein tofu barbecue rolls ready in just 20 minutes. Perfect for vegetarians, high-protein diets, and anyone who loves bold flavors. Would you try this?